Flowers do last a lot longer the shorter that they are cut, because flowers use energy to keep themselves up and hydrated, and so the shorter the stem, the longer the flowers will last, because they don't have to use as much energy to keep themselves up and to drink. So what I always suggest is that after, say, 4 days, take them out of that vase and cut them down and put them into either a shorter, squat, wider vase or multiple smaller jars. And that's certainly what I like to do with my flowers at home. Always start with them as long as we possibly can, having cut that minimum approximately 2 centimetres off, but then taking them and cutting them into other shorter vases, and you can end up with one large vase spreading throughout the whole house. You can have them in almost every room if you're putting them into little jars. So you can end up with at least 2 weeks out of them.